Hello friends, the Techtuber here. Yesterday we saw the review of the Amazon Kindle of why you should buy this thing. Now, we are going to see why you shouldn't buy this thing. So first of all, we are going to see the facts which have room for improvement in the hardware and the things then which have room for improvement in the software. If these things are improved, I think the Kindle can be the best device. Maybe it can even overtake the iPad. So without any further ado, let's see them. Now I think we should start the hardware part. When you look at this screen, what does it seem like? Black and white. It just feels like a human has gone into the past. Like this, right now. This won't change, but the thing would change is me and my surroundings. I know majority of the books are actually printed in black and white, but as some have diagrams in between and all stuff, it really seems better if you have a colored screen. When you pick up this thing and it's closed, it has nice wallpaper, so it really wants to pick it up. But after you pick it up, this black and white interface really ruins it all. So keep that in mind. Another thing about hardware is the complete body of this Kindle is plastic. So if you drop it or if you sit on it, this is going to be bent or cracked or broken. In order to avoid that, you need this cover, and this is the lightest and the cheapest cover I could find on the Amazon Kindle. Um, when you put it in on this, it's extra bulky now and you really don't want to read it. How good would a book look like this? Okay, it actually looks like a real book, and if I am holding it like this, it might even have the feel of the 21,000 rupees Amazon Kindle, but well, this thing adds extra pressure to it. So once even I thought of cutting this part so it would actually seem like it, but it gives the screen the protection. As it's a plastic screen, it's not scratch proof, and the screen is going to scratch by normal keys, coins, and stuff. So that is one thing you surely need to keep that in mind. Okay, I'm going to remove it from here. It really doesn't look all that good. Okay, so well, about again hardware and that plastic bag, it has fingerprints as you can see, and there are not a heck a lot of them, so you really need to clean the bag. And actually I didn't clean it for the video on purpose so that I could show you all of these fingerprints. I read a lot and I use this Kindle to read that stuff, so that's one thing which Kindle Amazon has to note. Another thing about this plastic body is these bezels. The Kindle is actually huge, but when you take the bezels into account, well, they are extremely, what can we say? Um, what do we call it usually? Extremely thick bezels. This Kindle has no speaker. Boom. No speaker. So if you want to search online on the web, it's really difficult for even to type on this Kindle, because sometimes I'm just 2 words ahead and the screen doesn't display, and when it does display, it's like something is gone wrong. So I have to go back and go again ahead. As right now I'm in 10th standard, so I have to study. I study using this same Kindle. So sometimes I have to take notes, and well, typing in my native language Marathi is not as easy on this thing. So keep that in mind. If you are to study guy and you're going to study using this thing, it's really going to be difficult. iPad is a much more better choice. Well, many people ask me, is the screen really good for your eyes? Actually, it's worth. And well, it's in offense of this video, but for only and only for the good screen, you are buying this piece of tech costing 8,000 rupees. More of that in a bit. Another thing which I would like to add is If you want to keep a passcode to it, you have to be strictly limited to the passcode thing. You don't have any fingerprint scanner or any camera which would scan your face. So I think Amazon just could put up a selfie, oh, not a selfie, even a backside camera just in order to take a few shots. It would be much better. I know it would increase the cost by rupees at least 500, but I would think it would be much more better option, because the Kindle has a version in which SIM card can be inserted, and I don't think I am going to be the kind of the guy who has SIM card in my Kindle. No, I would rather prefer a camera on here. um, that's, I think, a important thing, having a camera on this thing. So now let's, if we are going to the screen, well, I think you all might have noticed by now, this is my study book of 10th standard. So I've just opened it right now and I'm going to try to zoom on it. I know it always works in front of the camera, but still it has a heck lot of lag, as you all can see. So this is because of the low refresh rates. So the Kindle's refresh rate really hurt, because now let's see, I'm going to exit this book and boom and bam. It really like boom bam. Each time, even this is a Kindle original book, Alchemist front page. It's really black and white. It really hurts. And when you turn the page, it's like boom bam. Each and every after. Okay, you can't really see the text, can you? Boom. Okay, boom. Sometimes happens. If you are completely going through text, it's not going to happen. But when you are going through a book which is of third party or PDF format, etc., it's like each and every time it's like going to be boom. And of course, if you are a kind of a person who reads a lot, then you are not going to like that. Now I think we should go to the software part. Well, what I said, it's like you have to just pay 8,000 rupees for this screen. I meant that you are not going to get any discount on the books you are going to buy. For example, if you have a Kindle app on your phone and a book costs rupees 1,000 on your mobile phone, which would be around, I don't know, 12, 13, $14? No, less, $13, around $13. So, well, when you're buying it on this thing, you have to pay the same amount. So, yeah, if you're going to buy this thing, it's only and only going to be for reading. And well, if you're going to buy those books are also extra expensive. So I think you should check out the Kindle app on your mobile phone first before trying to buy this thing, because I have known many people who buy this thing and they think that all of the books are going to be free or the cost is going to be very less, but the cost is exactly the same. You are paying this much money exclusively for the hardware. Well, that's almost it. A few final things which I would like to add is, as I mentioned a while ago, well, PDF books, Kindle doesn't support any features. So for example, I'm going to do this in this AA, and as you can see in the bottom, you have only this much of editing options, which you have a lot more on a Kindle format book. Oops, I don't want to increase the font size, no thank you. AA, and all of this in the beginning. Then you can change the font size. We have seen that in the past. I'm going to try to do this bold, and I hope you have noticed the change. You can also increase the size of your text to a monstrous size, and then again back to a normal. Oh, it's way too much small. I like to keep it on 3+1. You can also change the layout and all, and well, more. So that actually is a kind of a thing why you should buy the Kindle, and I have already made a video on this thing, so keep that in mind. Because of the low RAM, again, which books are a little bit heavy and they are third party like PDF, they sometimes get stuck and do not move. I can actually give you an example, but this is a third party book, PDF kind of book, and As I told you, it goes boom bam, and sometimes it doesn't really work as well as you expect it to work. Example of typing. Actually, I can't really type like that, so that it would be like that. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more this kind of videos, subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting the link of the video of the positive points or why you should buy the Amazon Kindle in the description below. Also be sure to check that out. If you have any suggestions, I am open to them. I have no issues. So that's it. I'm the TechTuber and I'm signing out.